Good morning, everyone present here. Respected dignitaries of BSE, directors of the company, and all the guests that have joined us here today on this auspicious occasion. I request everyone to please stand up for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you all. Please be seated. We have gathered here today for the listing of Organic Recycling Systems Limited and on the BSE platform. A true milestone for the organic team, isn't it? To give a brief introduction, Organic Recycling Systems Limited is an engineering company focused on environmental solutions and has been a front-runner in providing waste management solutions since its incorporation in 2008. And with that, let us kickstart the ceremony. I'll invite Ms. Janki Band to please come on the stage and present our heartfelt welcome to the dignitaries. I'd like to request Mr. Samir Patel, Chief Business Officer of BSE, to please come on the stage and receive the honor. Thank you so much, sir. I'd like to request you to please take your seat on the stage itself. Next, I'd like to request Mr. Sarang Band, Managing Director and Promoter, to please come on the stage and receive the honor. I request the guests to please show their appreciation. Thank you so much, sir. Next, I'd like to invite Mr. Ajay Thakur, Head at SME and Startups BSE, to please come on the stage. Thank you so much, sir. Next, I'd like to invite Mr. Yashash Band, Whole-Time Director at Organic, to please come on the stage and receive the honor. Thank you so much, sir. Next, I'd like to invite Mr. Amol Sheersagar from Arihant Capital to please come on the stage and receive the honor. I request the guests to please show their appreciation. Thank you so much, sir. Next, I'd like to invite Mr. Jigar Gudka, Chief Financial Officer, to please come on the stage and receive the honor. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, Janki ma'am.
शुभं कुरुध्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
To please take their respective seats on the stage. With that, moving forward, we have a little snippet of organic that we would like to present to you. So, without further ado, I will request the team of organic to please play the video. Thank you so much to the team of Organic. It is a wonderful day today, and how can we miss out on the opportunity of having dignitaries share a few words with us? So, grabbing that opportunity, I would like to invite Mr. Samir Patil to please come on the dais and share a few words with us, sir. Please, sir.
Good morning to all. Respected dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning and a warm welcome to everyone present here today for the listing ceremony of Organic Recycling Systems Limited on the BAC SME platform. On behalf of BAC, I would like to welcome Mr. Sarang Sood, Managing Director and Promoter, Mr. Sarang Band, Mr. Yashas Band, Full-Time Director, Mr. Amol Shirsagar, Arihant Capitals Markets Limited, Mr. Jigar Gudka, CFO, and my colleague Shri Ajay Thakur. Organic Recycling Systems Limited is a Navi Mumbai registered company. It's an engineering company offering sustainable waste management solutions. Organic recycling systems business verticals include the build, own, operate, transfer, that's the BOOT model, the engineering, procurement and commissioning EPC model, and the supply of key equipment. The company offers services such as EPC, engineering, procurement and construction, services in waste management, commissioning services, consulting and advisory services. In the waste management sector, planning, building and managing waste management projects, laboratory services and more. BAC Limited has emerged as a market leader in the SME sector, with the primary focus areas being innovation, technology, investor attention, quality service and greater wealth generation. The BAC SME platform is a preferred route for SMEs and investors in the nation. Today, we have a total of 456 companies which have been listed on the BAC SME platform with a market capitalization of over 87,220 crores. The initial public offer of 25,200 equity shares of face value of rupees 10 each of Organic Recycling Systems Limited, SME IPO for cash at a price of rupees 200 per equity share through fresh issue. Price rupees 200 and total issue size 50 crores. The issuer subscribed around 3.24 times. The retail category was oversubscribed by 2.21 times and the non-institutional category by 4.28 times. I welcome Organic Recycling Systems Limited in the BSE family. BSE provides an efficient and transparent market for trading in equity, debt instruments, equity derivatives, currency derivatives, commodity derivatives, interest rate derivatives, mutual funds, and stock lending and borrowing. BSE also offers a variety of additional services to capital market players, including risk management, clearing, settlement, market data services, and education. In this very hall, 21 weeks back, we relaunched our benchmark index, that is the Sensex contract, and we are glad to know that we touched an all-time high of 129 lakh crores on a very single day of trading. In this very month, on the 16th of October, BSE would relaunch its BankX contract for trade with a Monday expiry. Once again, I welcome Organic Recycling Systems Limited to the BSE SME family and extend my best wishes to its entire team and its merchant bankers on this momentous occasion. I am positive that the firm will develop and generate excellent returns for the shareholders. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much, sir. Next, I would like to invite Mr. Sarang Bhan, sir, to please come on the dais and tell us a little about Organic.
Good morning, everyone. I would like to welcome you all for this milestone event for the company. The bedrock for foundation of any company is its group of investors. And some of you have been a part of our journey since beginning, and the support that you have extended has been exceptional. And I owe a heartfelt gratitude for the same. I would also like to thank all of you, those who have extended their trust and subscribed to the IPO and have decided to join us in our onward journey. When we started our journey, waste as a resource was not a priority area. There was no priority being given to waste management as a subject matter. Developing an indigenous technology that would suit the requirements, that would deal the challenges of the heterogeneous waste that we had to deal with was not an easy feat. In fact, we had many instances of firsts. We were in fact the first company to set up a large anaerobic digestion plant based on thermophilic process in the country for the very first time, that got commissioned in 2013. We were the first company to actually get an electricity tariff on cost plus methodology from MERC on anaerobic digestion technology, post which it went into their system, wherein it became a benchmark for other waste to energy projects to follow that particular methodology. We were the first company to actually deploy decentralized waste management solutions in this country, wherein you could just install a plug and play module to treat your waste at your doorstep. In fact, we were also the first company to actually own patents not only on technology but also on the product in waste management space in this country. But when you are ahead of the curve, as I was narrating to someone right before this speech, when you are ahead of the curve, you also have a steep learning curve. And the teachings that followed not only made us resilient, but also fostered a very strong innovation and innovative mindset within the entire company's ecosystem. Today, our team is equipped with experience. We are confident of developing and delivering technology solutions across the waste spectrum, not only to recover green fuels as stipulated by and as envisioned by Government of India, because there has been an impetus and they are promoting a replacement of your natural gas CNG fuel with alternate fuels. We have been doing that, and we have been contributing in a smaller way to that vision in our own way. Going forward, the team is also confident of developing sustainable technologies across the waste stream, wherein our R&D center has also, along with our academic partners, is engaged in developing new technologies in the waste management spectrum, right from agrobiomass to your algae to CO2 sequestration. The company is committed to make a positive impact in the society through its technology and product offerings. Leveraging on our technology and operational experience, we are confident of a robust order book across the TEPC product and service verticals. And we look forward to your continued support. And we are confident that with your support, we'll be able to give our best and continue on the growth trajectory. I would also like to thank all our associates, our advisors, audit and legal team, and team members who have supported us to reach this milestone. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. With that, I'd like to invite Mr. Ajay Thakur to please come on the dais and share a few words with us.
Very good morning to all of you, respected dignitaries on the dais, Mr. Sarang, Managing Director and a promoter, Mr. Sameer Patil, Chief Business Officer, BSc, Mr. Girish Joshi, Chief Trading Operations, Mr. Amol, Arihant Capital, Mr. Jigar, Chief Financial Officer, distinguished guests. Today is 356th company to get listed on 456th company to get listed on BSE SME platform. Let me tell you, I have got very less time. I think 3 minutes to speak because after that we are going to ring the bell. But we are seeing all sorts of companies getting listed on BSE SME platform. We have companies from 20-25 sectors, and today we are seeing the company. I think rare of the rarest company, which is into waste management, which is Prime Minister's main focus, to get listed on our BSE SME platform. Keep on doing well. I remember Manish following up for you here on BSE SME platform to get listed. It was a long journey. We keep on assessing the balance sheet, PL account, and we also want to ensure that when the company gets listed, when the company gets approval, it should be clean. Investors should have faith in the company. They should have the confidence in the company. And as you have rightly said, that you were ahead of the curve as far as technology is concerned. So there were so many learning steps during this process. And of course, it's the passion of the promoters to come, get their company listed, talk in the international convention hall, ring the bell, and also the dream of the merchant banker to bring these SME companies. Today, SME companies are, getting lot of attraction by the investors. We remember the days when even, getting subscription for 5 crore issue size was very difficult. Now today we are seeing 50 crore issue gets very easily subscribed 3 times, 4 times, even 20 times and 100 times. So I think it quietly shows that, the initiative that has taken by BSE for launching this SME platform is turning into a great success and will transform this country by growing the small and medium enterprises and convert them into large enterprises. So on this day, I wish you all the best. Keep on growing and make us proud of you. With these words, thanks a lot to all of you.
Thank you so much, sir. With that, I'd like to invite Mr. Amol Shirsagar to please come on the dais and share their experience.
So I think I have got 2 minutes, so it should be more than enough. So I think first of all the dignitaries on the dais and the distinguished guests present here. I mean, it's a momentous occasion, and I think nothing could have been a better place than this iconic hall, which has seen history being created over the past decades. So, it is privileged to be here and addressing this gathering here. So going public is a lifetime event for the company. And for this, I congratulate the company, the promoters, the entire team, and who have worked very hard to see this day. And you become a few company from across the various registered companies in India to get listed, and I think 456th on BSE, with many more to come ahead. So I think it's a great occasion. So I think at this point, so this company is having a history of being in operations for about a decade. So I think it is a time to thank the early stage investors and well-wishers who have helped the company to reach this stage and continue with its journey of technological development. So that's a very important element, as the company is able to reach this stage only with the support of those investors. So special mention I would like to here for Sarang, to have demonstrated the commitment and conviction in what he set out to do in terms of technology development, and he is very passionate about, and even to the extent of sacrificing the shareholding in the company, but to see this dream come true. And the patents which have been recently granted, the 2 patents, one as recent as July 23, I think this gives a kind of a reward to the promoters' commitment, company's efforts, and the investors' support that we have been seeing this day. So I think a big congratulations to all of you. I think the issue size, we have already spoken, a 50 crore issue size, which is only becoming common nowadays, but it has been, it's a remarkable achievement for the entire team. So I'll just spend one more minute on, something about the company. So it has, we have spoken about this, and I think the same thoughts echo. So, okay. So I think I believe that the company is going public at an inflection point where there is enough awareness and readiness to invest in the organic waste processing. Government pushes there to Swachh Bharat and Satat schemes and other initiatives, advent of ESG. So I think factors beyond the control of the company being favorable, I believe the company holds great potential to capitalize on the opportunity. I wish them all the very best in their journey ahead with the public investors. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. I request the dignitaries present on the stage, as well as Mr. Suhas Bansar and Ms. Janki ma'am, to please come on the stage for the bell ringing. The countdown will start soon. I request the audience to please stay seated and enjoy the bell ringing from their respective seats as well. I'd also like to invite Mr. Rakesh Mehra to please come on the stage for the bell ringing. The countdown will start soon. I expect the audience to please join us for the countdown. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A rather moment of glory for the team of Organic. I'd like to request the guests to please give them a huge round of applause. all the dignitaries. I request the dignitaries to please take their seats on the stage and the guests to take their seats in the audience, please, so we can move forward with the flow. Thank you so much to all of you. Now comes the time for appreciation, to appreciate all the hard efforts that the team of Organic has put in this listing, as well as the dignitaries of BSE who have supported them. To give the mementos, I would like to invite Mr. Samir Patil and Mr. Ajay Thakur on the stage. I'd like to request them to please come forward and present the memento by BSE to the company. I'd like to invite Mr. Sarang Bhand to please come forward and receive the memento. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, please remain standing. Thank you so much, Sarang sir. Sameer sir and Ajay sir, I request you to please stay there. Next, I'd like to invite Mr. Yashas Pant to please come forward and receive the memento. Thank you so much, Yashas sir. Next, I'd like to invite Mr. Jigar Gudka sir to please come forward and receive the memento. Thank you so much, sir. With that, I'd like to invite Mr. Amol Shirsagar to please come forward and receive the memento. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, Sameer sir. Thank you, Ajay sir. To present our next set of mementos, I'd like to invite Mr. Sarang Bhan sir to please come forward. I'd like to request Sarang sir to present the mementos by company to BSE. For that, I'd first like to invite Mr. Samir Patil sir and Mr. Ajay Thakur sir. Thank you, sir. With that, I'd like to request Mr. Ajay Thakur sir to please come forward and receive the memento. Thank you so much, sir. With that, I'd like to call upon Mr. Amol Shirsagar sir to please come forward and receive the memento. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, Amol sir, and thank you, Sarang sir. For the next set of mementos, I'd like to invite Mr. Yashas Pant to please come forward. First, we have MV Kini, Ms. Khushbu Kharbanda, our legal advisor. I request her to please come on the stage. Thank you so much, sir. I request Yashash sir to please stay standing. Next, from Indocent, I'd like to invite Mr. Prashant Mayadaran, our bankers to the issue, to please come on the stage. Next, from INCOP, I'd like to invite Mr. Inderpreet Singh Chatta, our consultants, to please come on the stage. Thank you so much, sir. With that, from Jayesh Shangrajka and Company, I'd like to call upon Mr. Pritesh Bhagat. Thank you so much, sir. With that, I would like to invite from KNP Legal Combined, Mr. Kedar Vagle, to please come on the stage. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, Yashash, sir. As we come near the end of the ceremony, I'd like to invite Mr. Yashash, sir, to please come on the dais and give us the vote of thanks. Please, sir.
Honorable Chief Guest Shri Sameer Patil ji, Guest of Honor Shri Ajay Thakur ji, team members of ORS, and valued guests. It's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. A big thank you, firstly, to the BAC and their team members for giving us the opportunity and platform to catapult our work to the next level. My sincere thanks to the team members of Aryan Capital, MV Kini, VKMG, Mashitla, IndusInd Bank, Incorp Advisory, Jai Sangrajke and Associates, and KNP Legal Combined for all their support and guidance throughout this listing process. And at last, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all our investors and the team members of ORS who have extended all the support and trust in us. I am confident with your continued support, we will be scaling new heights and cross many more such milestones. Thank you all once again for the support and guidance and gracing this event with your presence. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. On behalf of Team of Organic, I, Jia Solanki, thank you all for joining us here by taking out time from your busy schedules and joining us here, supporting Organic, and I shall hope that Organic grows more and more. Thank you for joining us here. I invite you all for breakfast now. Thank you.